Welcome back to Blockchain Daily. Updated the channel, made a clips channel. Check out the clips channel. Link to that is in the description. We're going to be taking a look at Bnkr in this video once again, making a Bnkr update. What's very interesting is that there's a new AI project or AI tool that was launched called Cluster that is absolutely going parabolic right now. I don't suggest that you buy this project. I'm just mentioning it to let you guys know that this is bullish for Bnkr, right? And Bnkr right now is one of the only coins that is on chain, on base chain. I love trading on base chain because it feels a lot more, you know, PVE, feels a lot more simpler to trade on, easier to trade on than, you know, for example, Solana. Solana has extremely veteran traders. Like I said, guys, I trade everything in this market, right? I'm trading on Monad, I'm trading on the XRP ledger, I'm speaking about quant, and I'm talking about, you know, on-chain AI projects with Base, BNB, you name it, right? I'm everywhere in the market because I think you have to be proactive if you really want to change your life and make millions from crypto, right? So Bnkr right now is on a pullback, down 10%. I think now is a good time to add to Bnkr. Now is a good time, right? And like I said, don't overinvest, guys. Don't break the bank here. You know, $530 gets you a million Bnkr. I think that's a great investment because out of all the coins that are on chain right now, Bnkr, in my opinion, has a chance to be a $1 billion coin. And, you know, if you buy $530 of Bnkr right now, that's going to be $10,000 at $1 billion in market cap for Bnkr. And I truly think $1 billion is possible here. I don't think that is far-fetched. I don't think that is unrealistic. Bnkr is generating so much revenue. Like I mentioned, Cluster. This was launched through Bnkr, right? I think that was the case, right? And even if that wasn't the case, if you take a look at Molt, Molt is on a massive pullback right now. You know, that's typically what happened with coins that go up extremely quickly, fast. But again, Moltbook was launched through Bnkr. This I'm sure of, right? And Moltbook generated so much fees for the Bnkr team, the foundation, and the community, right? And a lot of other projects that are, you know, successfully trending on base chain right now, all are launched through Bnkr. A ton of them are launched through Bnkr. I think Cluster is launched through Bnkr as well. You guys can let me know in the comment section just to confirm that. But as you can see, right, there's people that are actually buying Bnkr on chain. You're seeing 66 a minute ago, $5,000 buy, just under 5,000, $4,800 buy. 4 minutes ago, $9,200 buy into Bnkr, right? This is one of the only coins in the market that's showing strength. I wish I spoke about it earlier on the channel, but the market is in such a rough spot, and I know a lot of people don't have, you know, massive amounts of money anymore, right? I'm sure there's people that did extremely well this cycle, did the right things, etc. But I would think, you know, just the average person, average investor has, you know, taken a huge cut or a huge haircut in their portfolio, right? I know I did, right? So you have to pay attention if you want to start, you know, growing your portfolio again. You have to pay attention to on-chain. Bnkr is on Coinbase, so, you know, it's simple for people to buy it. It's on Coinbase. It's a Coinbase coin. You don't have to go too far to purchase this. But with the success of all these tokens that are being launched through the Bnkr launchpad, right? Remember, this is a launchpad and an online AI agent on X. You could literally launch on X through Bnkr. You could buy and sell, do transactions, check technical analysis. You could do it all through Bnkr, right? On X and through the Bnkr website. So people are launching tokens on Bnkr, and it's generating so much fees. You're seeing people that are still purchasing this. Look at that, another $9,000 buy in this dip right here, right? So again, obviously don't overinvest, guys. I think, like I said, 530, a million Bnkr tokens is a great buy. I think this is a $1 billion coin, and, you know, with the million tokens, that'll be $10,000 at $1 billion market cap. Obviously, if it goes to half of that, which is 500 mil market cap, that's gonna be 5K, right? That's a great investment. $536 to 5K, that's a great trade. That's a great investment. So just wanted to give you guys a quick update on that. As always, none of this is financial advice. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.